For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and let's have a look at today's Fast Ball XRV trade of the day. We had ACXM. This one gapped lower, and it was the only stock on the entire list that even made a move in the direction that we anticipated. But since we had this opening gap, at first glance, it appeared there was no room for a trade. Any automated setups that anyone had would have been blown out. Never triggered, didn't get up into the prior session's range, so it would not have given you that validation kind of an entry. But in the first hour trading pit, Rick Kipp called everyone's attention to the fact that ACXM was making a trapdoor move in the second 5-minute bar trading. And if you'll recall from boot camp, trapdoor is simply when we have an expected or anticipated directional move, and then we get a blowout like this. We're looking for a violation of the low of the first bar of trading, and when we got that this morning, we were off to the races. The move down below $22.26 gave us an initial entry level, and we had a very, very logical stop up here at about $22.90. So just above this $22.87 level would have made for a very logical stop out based on what happened. We saw price come down, price tried to recover, couldn't make it up above $22.87, came back down, and made this move down through $22.26. The question of where to place the profit objective, using a Fibonacci expansion ratio, we had a very logical target down at $20.61. That was a 161.8% expansion of that move in the initial bar of trading. And then as the day started playing out, going peak to trough, in that first leg of the move, gave us another expansion down to $18.90. We, of course, had already called it quits, didn't get that second expansion because that 2061 target was taken out, and then when we were looking for another entry opportunity in the first hour trading pit, it was on this bounce back up to $21.24, and as that came back down into 2061, we took our profits and missed this expansion. But that's not the point of the video. The point here is, Rick called our attention to a very basic trade that we've all looked at for a lot of years, and this one was very, very easy to miss. So if someone hadn't said something in the first hour trading pit, I would have missed this opportunity myself, as I'm sure many of you would have, because a lot of times you're just not thinking about these things. But Rick specializes in that Baltimore chop opening gap move, and that's where his head was at this time. So intentionally or inadvertently, he managed to put us squarely in front of a substantial Fast Ball XRV opportunity. If you have any questions about this or any of the other Fast Ball XRV setups, feel free to shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com, or of course, you guys give me a call. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for Monday. Enjoy the long weekend. It's the best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com.